importance of communion, when communion proposal started, the first one to collect the money is Abraham Vittukulangara.
Okay.
So he collected the money and he said we should start this initiative, 2013. Then 2017, this was started. Then when it started, he is the first one to send the money from the diocese.
Yes.
One is a personal contribution 2013 and 2018 February. Then he asked me to draft a letter to Father Stephen Arthur. I was his personal secretary, I wrote. But when we are going to the records only, in 2022, I be appointed. Then only I came to know that Abraham is behind this. so it is. He will be happy that I gave to you.
We will also support you.
You supported already. You supported already. I will give you.
మురళాలించెను తన మహాదయను నను గణించెను.